Tonight, as Africa stands tall within the halls of Westminster, we are reminded that our story and our history, though complex, is a tapestry of strength, sacrifice, spirit, and sovereignty. A relationship between the Zulu and the British historically. Our presence here tonight is not just coincidental, it is ancestral. The Zulu kingdom and the British crown share a deep and complicated past. Their history is met forcefully on the Battle of Isandlwana at Rock's Drift. My forebear, King Tshwayo Shambande, led the defense of sovereignty with dignity and courage.